In this video, we are going to show you how to make color gradients in CorelDRAW. If you want to have a non-flat color to your, well, to your document, to your projects, to your shapes, it's quite simple. All we need to do is let's create a shape, whether it is a rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, or the polygon tool. We're going to use the polygon tool to mix it up because squares and circles are boring sometimes. So once we have this, right? Once we have our shape and you want to pretty much add a gradient instead of a flat color, it's quite simple. All you need to do, again, look towards your left hand side. This is your toolbar. You want to click on this. This is the interactive fill tool, or G, right? Click this and then click where you want the gradient to start. So we can do this from here. So hold click on your left mouse button like so. Drag it all the way to where you want it to end. So click this and then drag it all the way here. And as you can see, there is a color gradient there, right? Now, you can also change the color. So for example, we want greens, right? Click that, right? There you go. And you can actually change the colors too, right? You can also adjust how strong the opacity is. But for the most part, you want it full, right? So that is pretty much how you add a color gradient in CorelDRAW. Pretty much it. This video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.